We are going to put QR codes on every patient bed who is admitted in the IPD ward. Scanning QR codes divert the patients to our website and which takes in the regular information like blood pressure, oxygen levels and pulse rate. So we can save at least 1 hour from a nurse who is on a 7-hour shift. Reducing a nurse time by 1/7 of the duty time is a great time management. Also, we provide all the resources to the patient like blood, essential equipments, etc. from the possible source like government website, tweets and a live doctor-patient chat.
So the basic overview of this Caladrius website is that this website is helpful for all those people who are suffering from corona. But not only this website is also useful for those who are not suffering from corona but are showing some symptoms, and for those who recovered from corona but they want to donate their resources to the one who are in need.
User enters a form which by entering a medical record which usually nurse or a resident doctor states via form, which gets stored on our Firebase database, and also the user gets authenticated via Google Authenticator via email. Our site, which is hosted on Netlify, uses all these data combined to produce a meaningful UI for all the frontline workers, and this is what makes our project different from others. Hi everyone, let me introduce you and demonstrate the Caladrius web application. We have helpline and chat with doctor. When you click on the helpline button, quickly show you how it shows many of the links which are important for each and every state. Then we have the main point, which is the patient dashboard. When you click on the patient dashboard, as you can see, you have a form which appears here. So when you put in this ID here, then you enter the details. Once when you submit the form, as you can see, your information has been recorded. And this is where all the information gets recorded. As you can see, this is what reduces the works of the nurse and make the process of taking or registering data less cumbersome. Because as you know that patients to healthcare workers, the ratio is very less. Okay guys, this is my chat with doctor feature. When you click on chat with doctor or patient to doctor chat, you get redirected to a login page which tells you to sign in. When you click on this button, then you can see that it asks for an O authentication via, let me click on this email and get an O authentication. When you authenticate, you are redirected to a chat. So whenever this is a two-way chat on which doctor and patient, so whenever I will write hi doctor, then as you can see that my patient gets here, and then doctor can also reply to my message, so that doctor and patient could chat here.
This is the oxygen leads where you can select your state and find the oxygen cylinders in your state via social media. We used Sprinkler here. It will show the tweets by verified users to donate oxygen cylinder. This is the donate button. Here you can donate plasma, funds and donate essentials like oximeter, oxygen cylinders and other things.
Okay guys, now let me show you how the COVID helpline feature works. On the right side, I have my mobile phone screen connected via Google Meet. So as you can see that we have many states helpline number here. Since my PC is connected to my mobile phone now, when I click on the helpline number, it shows that I need to make a call from my phone. So when I try to click on this, then as you can see on the right side, a pop-up shows that my phone number is now available to call. And if you open this Caladrius website on your phone itself, then the phone number will automatically open on your dialer. And finally, we have the Caladrius help app. When you click on this tile, it opens and shows you if you have any sort of symptoms. Then you can go to online health checkup, you can go to video consultation and get vaccinated also. And here are a few yoga instructions also, which are regarded by WHO itself. These are the three main challenges which are faced by us. Since we are amateur coders, we needed to create two databases as we were not able to manage it into a single one. First was this that we created for the chat, and second one is what we created for the appointment, donor, essential and patient accounts. Also, this login authentication was saved here on the Caladrius main database. For a smoother experience, we wanted that all the users should be verified by their phone number by sending an OTP, because email can be created by anyone, which we were not able to make. Those which are being loaded by us in the real time load slower because of our searching algorithm, which is not as fast as enough to cope up with the speed. The foundational idea of preserving time of frontline healthcare workers like the nurses or the resident doctors who take all the patient readings manually till date. But the interface on the user end will be way better once we are able to create an Android application out of the same. Rest, we don't believe in saturation, and many additional features can still be provided if we get more knowledge, since we are amateur coders, like a customized chatbot and gap analysis tools. With this, I would like to sign off on behalf of Team Caladrius.